this video, I'm going to show you how you can put all those components next to each other into the form of a coherent page. So let's start by creating the home page. Let's analyze that. So on the home page, we will have a navigation bar, a section including a large header title, a subtitle or description, and 2 buttons. Another section is made of a secondary title, a description, and 3 cards. And then we have another section including a title, a subtitle or description, 3 shopping cards, 3 product cards, and we can wrap up everything after adding the footer. Okay, so let's start. We already put the navigation bar there, but if you don't know, how to do it, just we already created the nav bar. Just click on it and press Option and drag and drop it here in to your home page. Okay, now we need to have a large title, a description or a subtitle, and 2 buttons there. Okay, let's type the large title here. Again, if you need to type anything, you can just drag and drop everything from your website or ask ChatGPT to create something for you. Okay, I think this is kind of a small for working as a large title in my website. So maybe increase it to 120. Oops, that's too much large. Maybe 90 again. Very large. Let's go with 64. Okay, 64 is good. The width is too much large. Just make it smaller and set the alignment to central. Okay, perfect. That looks good. I would like to make it bold like that. Yep, that's nice. And then I want to add a kind of subtitle here. So copy and paste it. Make it maybe in regular size. Absolutely have a smaller font there, like 24. I would like to make the large title a little bit smaller, maybe 48. Okay. And then copy and paste the real text here. Let's increase the width. I would like to see everything in one row and maybe make it smaller. Okay. It looks good to me. Okay, yeah, it looks good to me. And then I need to have 2 different buttons there. So come back to my components. By press Alt, drag and drop them. And then I need to put these 2 into auto layout because I want to define the gap between them. Maybe 12 is enough as the gap. And just change the label of the button. The left one could be Explore Menu. The right one could be, I don't know, maybe Learn More. And then put all of these 3 into the same auto layout. So click auto layout button and adjust the spacing between them. So the gap could be, 24 maybe. Okay, so I have created the header of my website perfectly. I would like to add a kind of gray background to it. Let's try it. I'm not sure about it. Let's try that. So maybe I just use a simple rectangle and move it to back. Just right click and click send to back. Make it a little bit lighter, like this. Okay, it looks nice. Cool. Now I need to add this section. So this section has a title but a smaller, a description and 3 different cards. So I just copy that text, make it smaller, like 36, and change the text to something else. Cool. Maybe copy and paste that text, make it smaller. Please do not forget, whenever you copy and paste the text from somewhere else to Figma, just choose paste and match a style. Okay. And then we can add 3 different cards there. We already created that card. Just select it, press Alt to copy that, and duplicate it 3 times. And then we need to change the icon and text for each. So the icon and text for the first one is good. I need to change the icon for the second one. So double click on the icon there, go to the icon section there and change it to whatever that you want. So here I need a clock. Cool. Here I need a star. Type star and put it there. Now change the copy. So here I want to change the copy to this, paste and match style. Okay, paste and match style, and copy and paste the copy here. And again, when you are copy and pasting a text from outside to the Figma, make sure to paste it and match a style. Okay, increase the height, perfect. Yep, so everything looks good here. And now I need to adjust the space between these 3 and this row and the text and title. So first of all, I put these 3 into auto layout to adjust the space between them. So I think 12 could be good. And then select all these 3 sections, the text and the title, and put them into auto layout. Maybe 12 could be good there. No, maybe 24. Okay, yes, it also looks good. What else? Maybe I'm not happy about the spacing between them, so I press Ctrl Z. So maybe I need to first put the title and the subtitle into auto layout. Maybe the gap could be 12, and then put these 2 sections into the auto layout so I can have more space between the title, subtitle, and these 3 cards. So for example, the gap between these 2 rows could be 48. Yes, I think it looks much more better. Okay, I want to make sure that these are in the center of the page. So go to position, alignment, and make sure that the alignment is on center. Nice. What else should I do? The other thing that I should do is create this section. This section is again made of a title, a subtitle, and 3 product cards. So I need to a little bit increase the height of my homepage. So select your frame, hold down Command and stretch it and expand it. So it helps you to expand the height or width of your frame. Select it, press Command, and adjust it. Cool. I think this section very looks like that one. So I would like to just select the title and subtitle. Just double click on it. Hold down Alt and copy that. And then change the text here. Featured favorite. Discover our most popular. Coffee selection. Nice. Now I would like to have these 3 cards. I have already created that card, so select it, hold down Alt, drag and drop it. Repeat that 3 times. Nice. Let me see if I need to have it 3 times or 4 times. I think I can have it 4 times. Okay. Great. And then change the copy 1 by 1. So the classic espresso is nice for first. I want to change the second one to latte. Third one to cappuccino. I'm not going to change the price. It's too much. Americano for that one. So I'm just simply copying and pasting the text from another website. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I have 4 different cards for 4 different products. I can change the price, but I'm not going to do that right now. The other thing I need to do is change the label of the button. So I change the label of the button from button to add. So my users know that they should click on this button to add them to their cart. Great. Maybe I would like to add a kind of nice background here as well. Okay, cool. I would like to make it a little bit darker maybe. Okay, cool. Yep. Now I need to expand my homepage heights to put a footer to it. So I select it, press Command and stretch it. Great. Now this is a great time to put my footer there. So select my footer, press Option or Alt, drag and drop it, and put it here. Great. Everything looks good to me. I would like to add more margin there. And oops, I would like to add more. Oh, I forgot to just put all of these items into an auto layout. So I just select all, press auto layout button, and adjust the gap there, maybe to 12. And then select the text, select the cards, put them into auto layout. Maybe 48 is good. It would be nice that the sizing, the spacing throughout your website would be same. So for example, the gap between all of my cards are 12. The gap between my text and cards are 48. So it would be nice to just repeat that kind of pattern throughout your website to make it more consistent and beautiful. Okay, I adjust the height. Awesome. So yes, we created many components successfully. We put those components next to each other and then put all of them into the form of a coherent home page. So everything to me looks good. I really like to see how you're doing that. But you know, at first it looks very easy, but when you start to working with components, the auto layout, it takes a little bit time for you to get used to that, to get to understand the meaning of auto layout, when to use it, when not to use it. But I'm always here to help you. So yeah, we have successfully created that kind of single page. Absolutely, you need to create that page based on your own design, based on your own sketches. Absolutely, one page is not enough. You need to have as many as pages that needed for yourself. And yes, again, I'm here to answer all of your questions.